This is a men's trousers making video, part 2, side pocket. These are the pieces we need. Place the top pocket bag on the wrong side of the front and match the top facing on the right side. Fold 0.5 centimeters on the other side of the facing edges. Start or finish stitching at the pocket entrance. And snip the seam allowance closest to the pocket endpoint. Flip the facing over and edge stitch it to the seam allowance. Fold the facing over again onto the pocket bag. And edge stitch the folded edge. The bottom facing should also have a 0.5 centimeters folded edge. The bottom pocket bag should have a 1 centimeter extra seam allowance on the side. Place it on the right side of the pocket bag, leaving a 1 centimeter gap from the side seam and edge stitch. Now, layer the top and bottom pocket bags together and stitch around the edges at 0.3 centimeters. There should be a 1 centimeter gap between the two pocket bags. Turn it inside out, arrange the seam allowance neatly, and press. Then stitch around again at 0.5 centimeters. Align the pocket opening with the notch and stay stitch it to the seam allowance. Lay the front piece on top of the back piece, matching the notches for correct placement. Move the pocket bags out of the way and stitch along the side seam from the pocket opening. Place the bottom facing over the seam line. And stitch from the top to 2 cm below the pocket opening. Ensure the stitches overlap by 2 cm. Snip the facing seam allowance where the pocket ends. Snip the front piece seam allowance under the pocket bag where the stitch ends. Press the side seam open. Fold the extra 1 cm seam allowance of the bottom pocket bag to cover the side seam. Place the overlocked back seam on top of the folded pocket bag edge and stitch 0.2 cm from the edge. Press to ensure a neat finish. This completes part 2 of making trousers. The video continues in part 3,